Okay, so let's begin with the first step in the DeepFinder workflow, which is the annotation of the particles. In this case, I have imported previously a couple of tomograms from the DeepFinder test dataset, and I have them here. Then I'm going to launch the annotation protocol, to which I only have to provide the pointer to the imported tomograms, and then I just click on execute. Then this auxiliary window lists all the tomograms which are contained in the imported set and their annotation status. So if I make, for example, here a double click, then it's calling the DeepFinder annotation GUI. As you can see here, I have this tomogram with the 3 views, which I can move them, zoom them, and so on, and click anywhere I want. Apart from that, I can make an average of the neighbor slices just to get a good denoise, and I can also play with the contrast and so on. So let's imagine we have here more than one class or kinds of particles. I'm going to just do it to show the different functionality it offers, no matter for this demo the data. So imagine we have here 3 classes of particles, then I add them, and then I'm going to start by manually annotating the particles which correspond to the first class. So for example, let's imagine this is for class 1, this is also a class 1 particle, and this is also a class 1 particle. Okay, let's imagine now that in another area, let me go, for example, here. Let's imagine this is another kind of particle. So for example, now I'm in class 2, this one, this one. And finally, let's move to another area. For example, here, let's imagine we have a couple of particles which corresponds to class 3. This one, and also this one. As you can observe, DeepFinder automatically paints in a different color each classes, its annotated class, and then once I've done all the annotation, I can save the data. And then the auxiliary window tells you that this tomogram has been done, and imagine by this time I have to do any other stuff, so I can close here, even close Scipion. Let me refresh, and it tells me by the time I come back, you can close Scipion, the information is kept, and it tells once you click here that there is one remaining object. Let me do it very quick. It shows again this, double click here, let's do it quick, just another one class and one particle, one particle and another particle, and save. Once I save all the tomograms from a set and I have annotated all of them, then it automatically generates the set of coordinates.